I will be riding from Dharwada to Ames Majra. It's like 50 kilometers one side. So let's go. So guys, this is one of my favorite river in my own state. आप ये देख रहे हो पीछे, ये यहाँ पे डैम बना हुआ है एंड दिस रिवर इज कॉल्ड साबी नदी. मैं पहले छोटा था तब तो ये थोड़ी स्टिल दिस रिवर वाज बेटर, बट नाउ दिस रिवर हैज़ completely gone like a messed up mud. Or I have one concern: if we can make artificial rain, artificial river, then why can't we clean our rivers which we have in actual? Why can't we open this river and start a scenic view in our own state? आपको पूरा दिखाता हूँ. मतलब this is the dam they have made, but it हमारे जो लीडर्स हैं उनको पता ही नहीं है कि इसको साफ कैसे करते हैं, क्या टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ होती है और कैसे काम करते हैं. सीनिक व्यू होना चाहिए स्टेट में. दे हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट इट. शो यू. This can be one of the best major scenic view. This can be one of the best major scenic view in Haryana. और अगर ये साफ हो जाए तो ये इतना सुंदर लगेगा. But the problem is our leaders don't know how to do it. But the problem is they don't care about anything but themselves. Look, I'll show you. Look, and this is the dam. This can be the bestest. This can be the bestest river and the bestest dam, bestest scenic view we can have between Delhi and Jaipur, and it's located in Haryana. And it's very close to Delhi. Basically, it's between Gurgaon and Rewari. Let me show you. If we will consider every single thing, and but this is one of the biggest thing we have. This is not the smallest thing we have. अगर हम हर छोटी से छोटी चीज़ कंसिडर करेंगे कि ये सीनिक व्यू हो सकता है, ये बेस्ट लोकेशन हो सकती है, तभी हमारी कंट्री डेवलप करेगी. Let me show you the full dam. It's very beautiful. Look about that. It's very beautiful. But it's, and we have such great facilities and technology to clean our rivers, but they don't know about it. That's the problem. Uneducated MLAs, uneducated MPs. Why do we have them? क्यों इलेक्ट करते हैं लोग? क्योंकि अनएजुकेटेड लोग ही मैनिपुलेट किए जाते हैं. बट दिस इज माई रिक्वेस्ट टू आवर यूथ कि अभी जो चल रहा है ठीक है, चलने देते हैं, बट आगे जाके प्लीज़ कंसीडर योर यूथ एजुकेटेड लीडर सो दैट ही कैन कंसीडर कि इसको कैसे सही करवाया जा सकता है, कैसे देश की डेवलपमेंट हो सकती है. दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल डैम. Alright, guys, it's my very small request to our youth to stay united and choose our leader wisely. Choose our leader wisely, guys, because if they know the procedure of doing it, procedure or development, then only they can be able to do it. और ये जो आप पीछे देख रहे हो ये मेरा स्कूल है, कभी मौका मिलेगा तो I'll show you from inside. But yeah, this is the little glimpse of my life. I'll show you a little bit of it. And my school was one of the best and major part of my life. Let me show you a little bit if I can. I passed my school 12 years back. Life was super, more of a hurdle after school. School was one of the major, biggest happiness of my life. Huge help. But we don't have right because I can have copyright. So right now it looks little damaged क्योंकि अभी जो गार्ड साहब ने बताया कि अब जो सोमानी ग्रुप्स के अंदर है ये स्कूल अंडर स्कूल नहीं है, अब some other entity took the property on these, but the property is still on the name of Somani groups. कोई बात नहीं, स्कूल ही नहीं रहा हमारा तो, but it's okay, memories तो हैं. हमें सिर्फ आइडियाज़ चाहिए कुछ करने के लिए, इतनी हाई फैसिलिटीज़ है कि हम बस कुछ ही दिनों में 24 घंटे के अंदर हम एक 30 किलोमीटर्स की रोड बना सकते हैं. तो एनीथिंग which is possible, anything, and I don't know that we have the bestest place. ये बिल्कुल रेवाड़ी के पास में पड़ता है और इसके आगे तुरंत जाते ही एम्स पड़ता है जो कि अभी स्टार्ट होने वाला है. सो लेट्स गो, देखते हैं एम्स कितना तैयार हुआ. वैसे तो एम्स की जो स्टार्ट होने की डेट है वो मार्च में ओपीडी स्टार्ट होनी थी एम्स की, बट अभी तक स्टार्ट हुआ नहीं है। मार्च में प्रॉमिस किया था कि स्टार्ट होगा, सो देखते हैं अभी कितना रेडी हुआ है।
The palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living, where it's always fine. Barbecue grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday.
सो लास्ट टाइम मैंने इसकी एक वीडियो बनाई थी और मेरे पास कॉपीराइट आ गया था, तो हम अंदर से इसकी ज़्यादा वीडियोस बना नहीं सकते बिकॉज ऑफ कॉपीराइट इश्यूज़। बट अभी तक इसका कुछ नहीं हुआ है। मार्च में इसकी डेट थी स्टार्ट होने की, ओपीडी स्टार्ट होने की, और आई थिंक दिस इज़ बिकॉज इट लैक सुपरविजन। इसमें मैंने अंदर से देखा है कुछ लेबर ही इसमें थोड़े से लगे हुए हैं। ये सरकारी काम धीरे ही होता है। बट so I had a ride from Tarveda to Majra, and we have one of the best location. We have river in between, then we have hills in between, and then we have Ames. The only problem in this place is we have schools very good, like private schools are very good, but we don't have any good private university. Even in government we only have this Ames. Only recently they gave us Ames, but nothing else apart from these. We don't have university, and we have one of the bestest students crowd in Rewari district. One of the bestest students crowd in Rewari district. From everything, एक बात तो है, जलने वालों की कमी नहीं है। साला कोई कुछ करे, मतलब कोई कुछ करे, स्टार्ट करे, या फिर कोई कुछ करना चाहे, वो बाकी सब ठीक है। खुद गटर में है तो दूसरों को भी गटर में देखना चाहता है। दिस इज़ द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ दिस कंट्री, अनएजुकेटेड पीपल। I have no idea why do they criticize. They just want to laugh and criticize, mock, joke people, because they themselves can't do anything. Good or bad, but the percentage of good is still high. Let's see. So I want to talk about my day, considering how bad it was. First thing, I didn't feel safe. Being a boy, I could not feel safe. I wonder how a woman can ride all the way or make vlogs. Also, making vlogs in Haryana is not so common. What I have observed, like, first thing, I am not a money minded. I'm doing it because I have an opinion. I am a social activist, so I will put things out there. Second thing, people of Haryana are full of force, full of uneducation in their behavior, in their language, and almost in everything. I personally not fan of Haryana, being from Haryana. I don't care about it. Second thing, I was being harassed on road. People were drunk, and when I came back, you saw that incident which happened in McDonald's. People in the background were laughing. YouTube is not the only source that people know me. I'm already a bit known entity here, so they were trying to tease me that he's a BJP spokesperson. BJP. I think they were against BJP. I could figure that out, but so what? I have my opinion. I will speak because I can communicate. Can you speak Can you come on camera and speak? Let me tell you how Indians are basically. अगर आप उनको 2 मिनट भी बोलने के लिए बोलोगे तो what they will do, ही that's it. That's the only stuff they have. That's the only thing which they know. So considering almost all the things, I didn't feel safe. I felt safe only around 20 to 25 30%. 70% I felt very unsafe. So some people now will come to me and tell me, you being an Indian, saying all these. I said I don't consider myself totally a human who is Haryanvi. I consider myself a Indian, a Sanatani, and I love education. Either it's in your degree or in your behavior. If education is in your behavior, that is far better than education you have in your degree. So watch your words before talking to me.